Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook protein foods. First, always begin by selecting fresh, high-quality protein sources such as lean chicken breasts, flaky fish fillets, or tender cuts of beef. Understanding the specific type and cut of protein you're working with is crucial, as it dictates the most suitable cooking method. Before you even turn on the heat, take a moment to prepare your protein properly, which might involve trimming any excess fat or patting it thoroughly dry to ensure a perfect sear. There are several fantastic ways to cook protein, each offering unique benefits. Searing, for instance, involves cooking at high heat for a short period, creating a beautiful, flavorful crust and locking in juices, especially for steaks or chicken thighs. Roasting, on the other hand, uses dry heat in an oven, providing even cooking and tender results for larger cuts of meat or whole poultry. For a lighter touch, poaching gently cooks delicate proteins like fish or chicken breasts in simmering liquid, keeping them incredibly moist. Ensuring your protein is cooked to a safe internal temperature is paramount for both taste and safety. Always use a reliable meat thermometer. For poultry, aim for 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Ground meats should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius to eliminate harmful bacteria. After cooking, let your meat rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful final product. To truly elevate your protein dishes, focus on enhancing their natural flavors. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices before cooking. This builds a foundational layer of taste. For tougher cuts of meat, consider marinating for at least 30 minutes or even overnight to tenderize and infuse deep flavor. Finally, a simple finish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of bright citrus, or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil can make a significant difference, adding a vibrant touch to your perfectly cooked protein.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.